Hello, this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite camping sites, Alstrom Point, Utah. If you're new to this channel, well, welcome. My name is Brent, and the channel is about exploring the backroads of the western United States. After watching this video, look around the channel, and if you like the kind of videos that I am putting out, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Alstrom Point is located at the south end of the Grand Staircase. It's basically a bluff that sits above Lake Powell. It has an incredible view overlooking Gunsmith Bay. The road to Alstrom Point is dirt and will require high clearance. I slowed down some of the dash cam footage to give you an idea of some of the problem areas. Give yourself at least 1.5 to 2 hours from big water to get out to the point. On the day that we went to Alstrom Point, we got lucky. The spot that I considered to be one of the best spots right on the edge was available, and people had just left from the night before. You can hear me say on the radio to the other people in the group how lucky we got.
Nobody here, boys. Those guys are in that other spot. We got lucky.
There are 15 to 20 campsites around the point, all with amazing views. The 2 days we spent there, it was busy, with lots of people enjoying the views of the houseboats in Lake Powell below. But everyone had enough space to enjoy themselves without feeling crowded. As you can see from this part of the video, it can be windy here. Please keep an eye on your trash and pack in and pack out everything that you came with. This was one of the few campsites we stayed 2 nights. We had great weather, good company, and even saw a wedding take place on the edge of the cliffs. You don't want to end this video too soon. I took some drone footage of the canyons as we left, and the rock formations are amazing. This campsite is always hard to leave, but after a couple of days of camping, we decided it was time to move on. We looked around, made sure everything was picked up, and we left the campsite better than we had arrived, and we headed out. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and following us on Facebook and Instagram. Look for the Grand Staircase and the north rim of the Grand Canyon coming in future videos.